Okay guys, so let's go ahead and get started with this video because the light is shining and I really want to get this light because, you know, I tried to cover the back and I tried to open this window so that I can have like natural lighting, which is the best. So I'm gonna talk a little bit about the things that I've been using during pregnancy, the apps that I've been using during pregnancy. I'm trying to, you know, accumulate like all of this in one and make the video as short as I can. I don't want to be rambling for too long, and I want to get through the baby things that I got for her and that family has gotten for her as fast as I can as well. I just want to let you know, I'm not going to say this through the video. I am going to link everything down below. There are some things, Carter's, there are some things that I got at Target. There are many things that I got on Target. Also, if there is an Etsy shop, I will link the Etsy shop down below. If there is a product that I have purchased, I will link that down below as well so that you guys can know. So let's get started. So first off, the reason why I held this video out for so long is because I was waiting on some products to get here to our house, and those products just got here. So now I want to share them with you guys because they're amazing. So first off, I'm gonna share with you the apps that I used for her to track my pregnancy. So I named this file, as you can see, I named the file Baby Journey, and I have the What to Expect app, I have the Ovia Pregnancy app, the Bump, I love the Bump, Baby Story, in case you want to take a picture of your belly and put little cute figures and stuff. That one I did end up paying for like $1.99 or $2.99, but it's really good. At the beginning, when I couldn't hear her heartbeat, I was using Hear My Baby. Then my experience with that was okay. I was able to hear something, but I wasn't sure if that really was her heartbeat. And then I have Baby List, which is where my baby registry is at. You can see those right there. Of course, I have the Etsy because everything from Etsy is just so sweet and cute. It's like everything is personalized. So I'll share wherever I got these things down here about the Etsy shops. My favorite app, honestly, is the Bump, only because currently I'm 18 weeks pregnant, and this, you know, it'll show you how big the baby is, what she's measuring, what she weighs, and then at the bottom it gives you this see the baby in 3D, and then you can also view your body. I just felt her move. You can see this, the baby, and then you can see your body. You can see your body and how big the baby kind of looks. So it's a really cool app. I know a lot of people are skeptical about these apps and like what they have and stuff, but I love it. And so far, every single time I go to my doctor's appointments, this past week for my 16th week checkup, the doctor asked me if I was feeling fetal movements and stuff like that, and I said yeah, definitely. And that's one of the things that I read on the app, that I was gonna start feeling that already. Okay, so one of the things that many of you ask me on my Instagram whenever I share it is my fetal Doppler. This is what the fetal Doppler looks like, and you take this off, and this is what you do. You put it on your belly, you go around to find the heartbeat. You turn it on right here, and you can listen to, you can listen to your own heartbeat, or you can just find the babies. It's a lot easier for me to find the babies right now because the baby is growing and it's just going upper. It's not behind my pelvic bone, I think that's what it's called. It's not behind that so much anymore, so it's a lot easier for me. This was $35 on eBay. I will link it down below. And I don't usually trust eBay. I'm more of an Amazon Prime person, but Ernest placed the purchase for this and it got here really quick actually. So this has been a lifesaver because whenever I'm in doubt, this saves it. I wanted to show you guys the cup that I got. I'm gonna link her Facebook group down below because I feel like she's amazing and she just deserves to be shouted out for her amazing work. This is everything made like by her. You can tell her what background you want, what glitter you want, whatever you want, she will make it. So I got the mama bear and I'm trying to drink as much water as I can right now because I went to a nutritionist today and they told me that if I want to breastfeed, which of course I'm definitely planning on breastfeeding, they recommend to drink a lot more than 4 bottles of water a day. So definitely to train myself drinking all that water and liquids so that I can be able to breastfeed a lot easier. So one of the products that I have been waiting for just got here yesterday. I did share it on my Instagram. If you didn't see it, I'm going to show it here again. So this is a personalized item. I'll link the Etsy shop down below. This is the little bow. This is the baby bow. It's so cute. And of course you can tighten it as much as you can. I already did tighten it because her head is either going to be this tiny or even tinier. So that's the bow. And then this is the blanket. Of course, this is the print. And then it has these ruffles on the end. And in the inside, it's really, really soft. I'm pretty sure you guys seen this material before. And I did personalize it with her name. That's Sophia Grace, her first name and middle name. And the name of the shop is Posh Peanut. So this is the name of the shop. It was really inexpensive, honestly, for a personalized item. It was, I've seen more expensive and this wasn't as bad. So that's that. One of my favorite products that I cannot wait is the baby Tula. I also posted a picture of me wearing the baby Tula, and my friend Chrissy actually helped me on how to set this into a newborn whatever you want to call that. This has it's kind of like a little hat that you can throw over her head if you don't want, you can breastfeed in these. If you don't want to show that you're breastfeeding or you want to cover her from the light, you can put that as well. Basically you put it on. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen these before. You put it on and you put your baby here and you strap it around your waist. And you get to wear her everywhere you go, like whatever you do. If you're cleaning, you get to wear her, and it is so comfortable. Like the straps are like heavy duty, like they're thick straps, and there's so much strapping going on so that your baby is safe and buckled. This is the waistband. It goes like that, and then you can, if you want to put like a cell phone in here, you can. So it's pretty cool. They have many prints as well, but this was the one that I loved the most. You can go to Baby Tula or Tula.com. I'll link it down below. And you can add it to your registry or you can purchase one like I did. This is a product from Target. Whenever we found out what we were having, I told my mom came over and I told my mom, I really want to go to Target, because that's the only baby store that we have here, unless if you go to Walmart or anything like that. And I told her, let's go, whenever we find out what we're having, let's go to the store and then buy her, or buy him or her something for you know, the first time, their first outfit. So we did, and I seen this on a special. It was a tremendous special because it was super cheap, and my mom actually ended up getting it for me. So it is the it's a little bath for her. It's the tiny one. On my registry, I did put the flower. I don't know if you guys have seen the flower that you can put in your sink and put them in there. And it's just very comfy. But that's when they're like bigger, maybe like 6 months, and they can stand up a little better. But this one, I liked it because when they're small, they're so tiny that you want to like take care of them and like be super careful with them. And I thought this was really good, and this was only $11 on Target. Now I don't guarantee that it's gonna be in that special still, but you can definitely check it out. So I got it in pink, and this is what it looks like in the back. This is what it is. It's a towel for her. But I'm like, if you don't know already, I'm like obsessed with unicorns for her. And you know, you put their little heads in here, and it's a little unicorn with a little horn. It's so cute. I'm in love with it. I definitely had to get it. I really didn't even like to put it back. I took it with me, and I'm like, you're coming with me. So that's that. I have 2 so far. I have some bibs for her. These are the long bibs, the ones that you put here like this. I have so far 4 that came in a pack, different little prints. The star, it's the same one. Okay, then I also have 2 blankets. These are in this print, and these are owls. These are not swaddle blankets, they're just normal blankets. This one is my favorite one. These are just normal blankets. And I was telling one of a friend that was here the other day, I'm like, I'm definitely gonna take this one to the hospital because I think it's just so cute and girly. And she's like, oh my god, you're gonna change your mind so many times before then, like by then. I'm like, yeah, you're probably right. This is a little gift that I got from Burt Bee's Baby. It is organic. I thought it was cute. It's like full of bees, but they just sent it to me in a free box, and I'm like, why not? It's this is 0 to 3 months, and it still has the tags on it. Haven't done that. So my baby girl is going to be born in the winter time, but not too much in the winter. So here normally winter time is like Christmas time, right? But here in Florida and where I live, especially, it'll get cold around end of January, beginning of February, and that's when the baby's gonna be born. So I wanted to get her a little sweater that she can wear coming home from the hospital, and I did end up getting this for her. It's so cute. And then it has these little ears. Look at this, how cute. So I'll definitely be putting this on her. Whatever she wears at the bottom, doesn't care. I don't care. I'm gonna put this on her. Look at these. Look at this, how cute. Look at this. This goes with a onesie, I believe. Look at those feet. They're cute heaps. They're so cute. Guys, the baby voice is starting to come. I got her these. Isn't this the cutest? A unicorn drank my milk. Super cute. This one, it's all about me. I showed this to Ernest and he's like, you're damn right, it's all about her. This little sweater. It's a little sweater, and then it has, you know, the ends where you could just flip them so that they don't scratch themselves. Another onesie. These are to sleep. These are sleepers. And then it has that print. I'm in love. And then the same thing with the hands. Got that one. I also have this one. This little cute thing. It says Mommy's Happy Girl. And it's completely white. And it's got the cute little pink at the top. She also has this sweater This is from when I didn't know what she was gonna be. I wasn't sure, so I got like neutral stuff. So I got this cute stuff. Another onesie. Same thing with the hands. And the feet, it's so tiny. Another one. This print is cute too. And another one. Look at this print. And I like it because it has this little strap here, and they're actually the zipper ones. So you can zip and you don't have to be like bunning. I used to hate those. Whenever I used to change the diaper for my little cousin, I was like, oh my God, they need to make something new. This cute little bib, it came in a set, in the owl set. I'm sure you've seen the rest of the stuff. These towels are to bathe her. It's in this print. And this one, these towels actually come with the big towel. It's just the same print. The stripes and full pink. Then we have this. It's just, this is newborn. It's just a cute onesie. We have another color. A gray one. They're so tiny. I can't even deal. Look at this. Look at this. It's so cute and tiny. This one. This is what I didn't know what she was gonna be. But you know, you get that anxiety of like wanting to buy things. And then this one is so cute. I remember I actually showed Ernest this. He's like, my son is not wearing that color. And then look, we have a girl. And then this one. And I'm gonna show you something that is very sentimental to me. And I'm so glad, like, I'm gonna try not to cry. This is just very, it's just very sentimental because this was from the previous pregnancy that I had, where I went to Babies R Us one time with Ernest, and we got two little things. We got some Gerber onesies, and we got hand mittens for the baby. That same day, unfortunately, was the day nighttime that I ended up losing the baby. So it's just the white onesies. There's 4 of them in here. I remember I was so happy because I went home and I showed my mother-in-law, and I'm like, look at this, how cute. She's like, oh, like we were all over it. And then that night I ended up losing my baby. This is super cute. It says Milk Belly. I got this at Macy's. This I wanted so bad. I got a pair of cute little socks. They're so tiny, look. Guys, they're like smaller than my hand. They're so tiny and they're fluffy. So I have 4 pair of them, but 2 pairs are in the diaper bag. Ew. These are the mittens that we got that same day at Babies R Us. Stars and Stripes. I got this little stuffed animal to put in their nursery. It's just so cute, and I feel like it's so sweet and innocent, and I love it. I think I'm gonna put it in her crib, and it rattles. It's so cute. For my Cuban family that is watching me, I posted this on my Instagram not too long ago. I did get this at Target in the baby section, so this is not like perfume that's gonna drive your baby crazy. Like, no guys, this is baby cologne, and I did get this in the baby section. And this is what it is. It is violetas, and it comes in this bottle like this. It smells amazing. It smells like a cute little baby. I'm probably not going to be using this whenever she's born. Probably later on when she's already bigger and she can handle it, because when they're newborns, I just want to, you know, I want to take in that that newborn smell that they originally have. You don't need to be doing that to them. Like they just smell like a newborn baby. It's so cute. These two little bottles I got for free from these you know, the boxes that they send to you. One, Target, if you register with them for a baby registry, they send you a free box. And Baby List, if you register with them, they send you one too. So I did get one of the same, and I was like, these are cute because I could just put breast milk in them, and they seem very popular. And I also got this little pacifier in my Baby List box, and I was super upset because I told Ernest, I'm like, why would they send me a pink pacifier? Like, they don't even know what I'm having. And Ernest's like, well, that's a sign that we're having a girl. And it sure was. I have some diapers. You guys have seen diapers before. I have some diapers. And then I also got 2 little books for her whenever I found out I was pregnant. You know, I want to do like a bookshelf in the nursery, and I want to, whenever I like try to put her to sleep, I want to rock, and then I want to be able to read her a book. And so I got these 2 books. I'm gonna try to find them for you. They're so cute and sweet. This one is called You Are My I Love You, and it has really cute pictures. It's just such a sweet book. And then I got the On the Night You Were Born. It's so cute too. Like, oh my god, I love these baby books, and I just want to keep them, you know. So guys, that is it. I am sure I am going to be getting a lot more things for her, but for now, that is all that I have for her. And to me, I feel like it's a lot of things because, you know, so much baby clothes, so many cute tiny little things, but that is about it. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for all of your support and all the cute messages that you guys send me through Instagram, for saying how cute she'll be, for saying how, you know, to have a healthy baby, blessing our family. Thank you so much. Make sure that you like this video down below and subscribe to my channel. A lot will be coming very soon, only because now I am pregnant. I want to share the journey with you guys. You guys know I am 100% real with y'all, and that's just me. That's what makes everything so much simpler in life, to be able to be myself with you guys.